My mom told me I should talk more so she doesn't fall asleep. Then I found the Arista switches. So as soon as I turned it on, I turned it off. I tried soundproofing the closet, but it didn't really work. And I thought, this is a waste. So long story short, I blew my entire budget on the Switch. It keeps happening. So trying to make this make sense, I wanted to be able to buy other Switches or other servers. I started looking into it. I wanted to make like a janky like solution.
1 hour later.
So knowing I have to water cool it, I don't know, I needed to start coming up with a plan, figure out how to, like, right, you can, I don't know, I don't know, I want it to be, like, and, yeah, well, yeah, so it's a good deal. So I think so I was thinking in other videos I can go through the other servers, and I think so later on I have another.
Several months later.
When I started I was pretty lost. Thanks for watching. I'll see you in the next video.